This deviled egg recipe is like a wickedly fun twist on a classic snack. It's like crafting, but with food. This is such a fun time. I'm really gonna have a hard time not eating everything. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are just immaculate and the food is delicious. My name is Yanni, and today we're making Halloween deviled eggs. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit the like button, hit subscribe, and tap on our little notification bell. Let's get into it. Let's prepare the eggs. In a saucepan large enough to fit the eggs in a single layer, add about 2 to 3 inches of water. Bring the water to a boil, and then once the water reaches a boil, gently lower the eggs into the water using either like a slotted spoon or a mesh strainer. Boil the eggs for 12 minutes, so they're cooked through, but they're not overcooked. I feel like 12 minutes is like the perfect time for a hard-boiled egg. Do this on the side, prepare an ice bath, fill a large bowl of cold water with ice, and then when they're done, just take the mesh strainer and remove the eggs from the boiling water, and then add them to the ice bath. Let the eggs cool in here for about 4 to 7 minutes. Take the eggs out of the ice bath and then crack them and peel them. There is no magic secret to peeling them, you just gotta do it. Slice 6 eggs vertically and save 2 and slice those horizontally. Remove the egg yolks and place them into a separate little bowl. Add the mayo, Dijon mustard, and champagne vinegar. Don't feel bad about not having champagne vinegar. You can use white vinegar, it's fine. Mash this up to create a smooth paste. And then you're gonna season with salt and white pepper. Divide this mixture into 4 separate bowls. In the first bowl, add 1 to 2 drops of orange food coloring or turmeric powder. This is gonna create the pumpkin eggs. Leave the other 3 as is. Chop your chives into 1/4-inch pieces. In 4 vertical egg white halves, pipe the deviled egg mixture vertically, similar to the lines of a pumpkin, and top with a little piece of chive. This will act as the gorgeous pumpkin stem. For the deviled bat eggs, seed and remove the ribs of a red bell pepper. Use a sharp knife to cut 3/4 to 1 inch long isosceles triangles. Cut out tiny triangles on one long side to create what looks like wings. And you're gonna create 8 of these wings. Cut thin triangles for the horns, and you're gonna create 8 horns. Transfer 1 bowl's worth of the deviled egg filling into a piping bag fitted with an open star tip, and slice a tiny sliver off the bottom of each horizontal egg white to kind of create a sturdy base for them to sit themselves on. Fill each egg white by piping the center with the prepared piping bag. Place 2 wings and 2 horns on each horizontal egg white. For the spider eggs, cut the black olives lengthwise. Keep 4 of these halves intact. Slice the remaining halves crosswise. Transfer 1 bowl's worth of the deviled egg filling into a piping bag. In 4 vertical egg white halves, place the deviled egg mixture. Place half of the olive in the center of the deviled egg mixture, and place 4 little olive legs on each side to look like legs. For the skull eggs, place the finely crushed corn chips in a flat bowl. Prepare a regular sized straw and a small stir straw. Flip over a vertical egg white so the hollow portion is facing the board. Use the regular sized straw to cut holes out for the eyes. And then use the small straw to poke out 2 holes for the nose. And repeat this with the remaining egg white halves. Transfer 1 bowl's worth of the deviled eggs filling into the piping bag fitted with a plain tip, and flip over the skull and fill the hole until level with a deviled egg. Dip the exposed deviled egg filling into the crushed corn chip, and that is it. Show off your assortment of Halloween deviled eggs. For the full recipe, head to the description box below or go to cozymeal.com/recipes. There are some incredible Halloween recipes to choose from. If you haven't already, please hit the like button and hit subscribe. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. Mwah!